fine folks, it's America from America's Abstracts, bringing you a fresh new video on this fine Sunday. I wanted to do a nice side-by-side comparison video with just two of my colors from this little piggy pigments, and doing a black pillow and black cell activator to see how different the results would be, and oh boy was I surprised. So those two colors I was using today was this little piggy pigments tail feather, which is a brand new color that they just released. I was lucky enough to actually get a sample from them to test out the new color, and oh, I'm in love. I ended up buying 2 jars of it. So and the other color is this little piggy pigment SEQUINS. And now SEQUINS is an interference violet. And essentially, I just wanted to see how those two colors played with each other, depending on how I layered them. So the only thing that changed between the two practice tiles that I did was the order of the pigments. So I really hope that it's a good informative video showing how interference pigments play with non-interference pigments, and just what crazy things they can do. It's just, it just blows my mind. So I really hope that you guys enjoy the video. And of course, like I said, I'm going to be doing videos Thursdays and Sundays. So you might see a little video maybe pop up in the middle of that if I end up finding something cool. But for sure, on Thursdays and Sundays, you'll be getting a new one for me. So now let's get into it. Well, folks, I really hope you enjoyed how those two pigments played together. I know I did. Definitely a simple palette, but something that I really think I'm going to enjoy. I actually have a 10x10 cradle wood board paired up that I'm going to be doing with one of the orders that I did with today's experiment. So really hope you guys enjoyed that. Just be watching out for a new video this upcoming Thursday. Maybe something might get posted before then. I've been thinking actually about doing a little blooper reel, because I've found that there's quite a few times where things happen and I use explicatives, so I will make sure to put on that video language warning. But yeah, I think, let me know in the comments if you think that would be a fun thing to watch, a little blooper reel. I do have quite a few that I can put together into a nice length reel, I think. Just oopsies, just random stuff like that. But yeah, painting fam, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Have a great week, and I will see you next time. Thanks. Bye.